Welcome to hosting one of the major events in the MENA region, DevFest, Google Developer Festivals. This large community, we are proud to be here and hosting this event, and we would like to make an introduction today with Mahmoud to speak about the GDE. You are a GDE expert.
Yeah.
Hello, Mahmoud. Could you give us a brief about yourself? Please go on.
Yeah, thank you so much for hosting me here, and I'm really happy to be here in UAE with in this DevFest. So my name is Mahmoud Al-Nafei. I'm a Firebase GDE. I'm also a mentor at Google for Startup Accelerator.
Welcome, Mahmoud.
Thank you, sir.
This large community of developers, we are really proud to be part of this initiative and this community. So since the DevFest is already running and workshops and sessions, so what did you learn here? What is the most trend, the session that is running?
Okay, I think we all agree that AI is taking over everything.
Yeah, I agree.
So today, actually, I like the energy and, meeting different people from different cities. A lot of people is traveling from around the world to come here and give their workshops. Especially today, I learned a lot about the generative, the LLMs and running the open source LLM and even in the cloud using, NVIDIA chips. And also what is new in terms of the hardware that's from the AIs like Gemini and other models.
So can you tell me some ways that GDE can support the local setup and tech community? Do you think that as part of your position here, it supports you in the tech community? How this is happen?
Definitely. So if you're asking about how these communities supporting us as a GDE, this is give us the space and the place to talk more about our, let's say, experience in different domains. And the idea of talking to the community, and you hear from different people, from the students, from the employees, from different domain, even experts.
Yeah, connecting and making connections.
Yeah, getting that also feedback from them. It's always, as a learning journey. We learned a lot from them actually before we even share our experience.
Yes.
And definitely, these events, it's always encourage us to do more like a research, to talk about new topics, and that it leads us to experiment actually. We are all developers here, and before even we talk about something, we have to experiment it first to develop maybe that application, to see even the technical feasibilities and this stuff. Until we get the right, let's say, result, then we convert that in an education, let's say, material. We bring it to the community.
And as a GDG expert in Firebase, what capabilities did Firebase provide, and how it catch up with the AI?
Okay, so Firebase as knowing as a backend as a service, which provide different backend services like databases, authentication, storage, web hosting, analytics, and there's like a full cycle of the software development. You have a whole, let's say, modulars that every developer needed to develop their own application.
Yeah.
So for example, if you want to build a mobile application, you want the registration system, you want the database, you want to host that image, for example, in a cloud storage, until you want to host that application. Firebase provide these modulars and these products, and you can start it for free until you reach the free limit. Then it's pay as you go. And definitely now, since the Gemini is leading now in the markets, it's the latest one, 2.5 Pro. It's also integrated directly in Firebase. But if we say what's the new here in Firebase, is more into Firebase Studio, which it's entering the AI vibe coding, where you can build your own application with AI just by writing a simple prompt.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah. So it's got huge now. They are using it, building, their websites, applications, and there's a lot of use cases already coming in the market from Firebase Studio. And the good thing that what I like about Firebase Studio is providing you with the full cycle of software development. Usually we start with planning, then we start, building our applications, then there's the deployment. So this is all available in Firebase Studio. You start with a prompt, AI start building a plan first for you, which is, they called it like the blueprint of your application.
Yeah.
You can, of course, enhance that. Then AI starts coding your project, fixing bugs, do the integration until you just click that button and it will be deployed and you get your URL that you can share it immediately in the social media.
And how do you see the AI is evolving in the next 5 years?
I think as even we learned today from the event, the more now it's focusing on the, multimodality, which you have like an omni, let's say AI that understand, voice, audio, image, plus generating all of type of content like videos, image, text, audio, and other.
Yes.
And now it's more into the physical AI, having that AI from the cloud to be available in a physical like robot.
Yeah.
That, like drones, for example, cars and human robots, for example.
It's totally amazing when we speak about AI, looking for the future, how it will transform everything, digital transformation.
It's fast growing, actually.
Yes, exactly. Can you speak how the impact about the AI in some of industries like health, aviation? So if any you have seen based on your experience.
Okay, maybe in terms of, because I work closely with different organizations, I saw that it's help them and support them more into conducting the research and analyzing the market for, their ideas or like trying to capturing some events and then they do that analysis. I saw that most of the people now in terms of, getting start for a new project, they always go for AI, try to start planning there, do the research until they came up with a full plan. Then they go to start building their product. But now, if you're thinking about building like a software, we have now the vibe coding, which is, before we don't have that. We just use AI maybe for planning and, thinking and this stuff. But now we have the AI that build, the products or the projects for us. I saw some use cases, they use the LLMs or the AI for the vision capability itself, try to like scanning all documents, especially in the government, converting it to a structured data, then they try, benefit from that structured data in their day-to-day works. So there's different, I think, different use cases and different domains.
Yeah, a lot in different industry. And I'm a subject matter expert in leading the digital transformation in aviation industry.
Okay.
And I see how AI is doing a revolution in this field, specifically how application now is migrated with the AI. It's not a magic, but it collect all the data and help the operational people, the management to take the right decision in the right time. This is exactly the purpose of the AI. So the people who is thinking AI is a partner or a rule book, AI is a partner. They should make use of this.
Yeah, and AI will not replace you.
Yeah, exactly. So what advice you can provide to our audience today and make them encourage them to come to DevFest and such events?
Yeah, definitely. I think I will just connect it with my workshop that I give it in this, let's say, event about, building the right product for the right customers. Since we are talking to developers here and for the tech communities, we know that everyone, they are vibe coding now and everyone building products or their website applications using AI, using different tools. Yeah. But we saw that we have a lot of, let's say, applications coming to the market, but they are not fully secured. They have a lot of bugs. They are not even built for the right customers. So please plan before.
Mahmoud saying we need to plan.
Yeah, plan carefully before you start building your next, let's say, application. And the planning, it's now easy with AI. Yeah. So even try to benefit from AI.
Yeah.
For example, you want to build an application for, education, for example, you go for like Gemini, enable that deep thinking mode, for example, with the deep search, conduct a research in Google. We'll try to find if there is any other, let's say, example. Then he start building a plan for you. Then try to question, do not copy and paste that plan and you start building.
This is important.
And this is really, this is really important. It's not means that when you get the answer from AI, it's 100, let's say, it fits your needs. Maybe it will not. So try to ask more questions until you see that you have a proper plan. And even before you start building your product, at least generate that questions list. Go and ask your friends, ask a close group of people. Try to get the feedback from them.
Take a discussion, brainstorming, and this stuff.
So this is really important. Do not try to just use AI and leave the creativity of the human nature.
I agree with you. Thank you so much, Mahmoud.
Thank you.
I really was proud to have you today in the interview and looking for more. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.